Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install GCam on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. So first of all, we're gonna open Play Store, then you want to go to search, and we want to type GCam in order to find this GCam Matter app. You're gonna install it, and once it is installed, of course you will need to open it. So let's go over here. Now this app is used in order to check if there is a compatible version of GCam for your device. Now, in this case, unfortunately, the GCam for this Xiaomi is not found. Of course, we can tap request the GCam in order to try to find it later. Maybe if you are watching this video later, at this point, maybe there is a GCam ready for this device. Unfortunately, in my case, it is not. And if it's not, then we can try to use get GCam for similar devices. And if there is something compatible, then you will find it over there. Unfortunately, there is not. So what we can do is choose this icon at the bottom in order to find the list of all apps or all actually devices that have the GCam version working. Now, ideally, you want to find something as much compatible as possible. However, it is quite difficult to do so. So let's say we're gonna type Redmi Note 13. This is one of the, let's say, newest available models from Xiaomi also. And over here we have the GCam version 8.9, Android version 11. Of course, the newest versions the better, but sometimes it is pretty difficult to find. If you want to, you can go through the list with different devices in order to try to find something more recent. Now, once you find anything that is the newest, let's say, or if you decide to use the same as I do, then you can tap start download. Now, of course, you might see an ad. It's completely fine. Over here we can skip the video and close the ad. We need to wait for the GCam to be downloaded, and after that, once it is downloaded, you will see an information about that in the middle of the screen over here. And instead of pressing install, we're gonna go to open in folder, and this time I'm gonna choose files by Google. And the reason for this is because, well, as you can see, it doesn't work. If I had pressed install, then it wouldn't work at all. And unfortunately, opening files by Google also doesn't work in this case. So we're gonna go to files by Google by ourselves, and of course we want to go to downloads. And over here we should be able to find our app, and we want to install it. Now, of course, for security reasons, we cannot really install apps from unknown sources, so we might need to press settings and allow installing from unknown sources. Of course, we have this danger information that we should be really careful with granting this permission. I'm gonna check that I'm aware of possible risks, and I'm gonna press OK. And let's install the app. Now, we need to wait for the app to be installed. There we go. We have the information that camera was installed, so we can go back, and we should be able to find our GCam over here or in the app drawer. And unfortunately, I have actually tested this version, and of course you want to grant permissions. There we go. And unfortunately, this version is not really fully compatible. For instance, if I switch to video, then it crashes. So it's not working properly. We can probably use camera. Maybe we can switch to a different mode, like portrait. I guess it works. Motion might work, but video unfortunately is not working. So some modes are working, some features may work, and some may cause crashes, bugs, and that's pretty much all we have for this device for now. So that's pretty much it. This is how we can get the GCam on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.